Have you ever found yourself staring at your Robinhood account, heart pounding, as the payment deadline looms closer? What happens if you miss a payment? Let's dive into the potential consequences and what you can do to avoid them. Imagine this: you've been diligently investing through Robinhood, carefully tracking your portfolio growth and planning for your financial future. But then, life happens. A sudden expense, an unexpected job change, or simply a lapse in memory can lead to a missed payment. What does this mean for your account and your investments? Potential consequences of missing a payment. Account suspension. One of the most immediate consequences of missing a payment on Robinhood is account suspension. This means you won't be able to buy, sell, or transfer securities until the payment is made. This can be especially frustrating if you're trying to capitalize on a market opportunity or need to access your funds for an emergency. Late fees. In addition to account suspension, Robinhood may charge late fees for missed payments. These fees can vary depending on the amount of the missed payment and the frequency of late payments. While the fees may not be exorbitant, they can add up over time and erode your investment returns. Negative impact on credit score. If you miss multiple payments on Robinhood, it could have a negative impact on your credit score. This is because Robinhood may report your late payments to the credit bureaus. A lower credit score can make it more difficult to obtain loans, credit cards, or other forms of financing in the future. Loss of investment opportunities. While your account may be suspended, the market doesn't stop moving. Missing out on potential gains due to a suspended account can be disheartening. It's important to stay on top of your payments to avoid missing out on investment opportunities. Steps to take if you miss a payment. Contact Robinhood immediately. If you realize you've missed a payment, the first thing you should do is contact Robinhood's customer support. They can provide you with information about the late fees, account suspension, and the steps you need to take to resolve the issue. Make the payment as soon as possible. Once you've contacted Robinhood, make the missed payment as soon as possible. This will help to avoid further penalties and get your account back in good standing. Review your payment information. After making the payment, review your payment information to ensure that it is correct and up to date. This will help to prevent future missed payments. Consider auto pay. If you're concerned about missing payments in the future, consider setting up auto pay for your Robinhood account. This will automatically deduct the payment from your linked bank account each month. Preventing future missed payments. Set reminders. Use your calendar or smartphone to set reminders for your Robinhood payments. This will help you stay on top of your financial obligations. Link a credit card. Consider linking a credit card to your Robinhood account for payments. This can provide you with additional time to make the payment if you experience a temporary cash flow issue. Review your budget. Take a close look at your budget to ensure that you have enough money set aside for your Robinhood payments. If necessary, make adjustments to your budget to free up the funds. Missing a payment on Robinhood can have serious consequences, including account suspension, late fees, and a negative impact on your credit score. However, by taking prompt action and preventing future missed payments, you can protect your investments and avoid these negative outcomes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.